Hi, my name's Garrett. This is my bike check. Alright, let's start with the frame. Got a Haro back trail X1 frame with Haro 3-piece cranks and a McNeil chain wheel with just stock KMC chain. Got a Haro back rim, not stock, just a new Haro rim. 9-tooth driver, Kenda contact back tire, Miraco rail seat, Miraco bars with ODI grips, Haro stem, Haro forks, and I'm actually not sure what kind of rim this is. I got it off some old bike that I used to have. Yep, so, yep, that's it, and that was my bike check.